Hey, Just Average Nelson here, and welcome to my garage. Gonna do a quick little wash on our Audi Q5. It was absolutely hammered in a typical Arizona monsoon slash dust storm slash Haboob. It was just crazy. My wife said she was pulled over for about 5-10 minutes on the side of the freeway or barely moving while this storm rolled through. So let's take a look at the car and see what it looks like. All right, so you can see wheels, tires, absolutely done. Look at this dust. It's actually mud or dirt that's flying through the sky and all the rain that comes down, and it just sticks. It's just gross. All right, what are we going to use to clean it up? All right, wheels and tires. I'm going to use a little Adams wheel and tire cleaner here in the foam cannon. Then we're going to do a forced citrus pre-cleaner. Going to give that a try. Have not used that one yet. Got it a little bit ago from the rag company, so thought I'd give that a try. Let it sit on there for a little bit. Just follow the directions, and then I've got Adams Mega Foam. And I'm not sure on the bottle because I actually have it in my car shampoo bottle, but it is Adams Mega Foam, the pink versus the blue or the wild berry of the regular car shampoo. So those are the two that I'm going to use. Start with the wheels, and I'll show you what it looks like after I'm done. All right, just a quick little before and after on the wheel here. All right, and here's the after. You can see it was dirty. So finish washing the car, we'll dress those up, and it'll be looking pretty good. All right, gonna let it dwell for a few minutes. Okay, so this is just after using forced as a pre-rinse. Obviously, there's still some things that the contact wash is what's gonna have to take off, but it looks pretty good. I let it dwell for maybe 3 minutes, and I did not spray it on. I think it's ready to use. I end up diluting it about 3 ounces to about, let's call it 20 ounces. And it looks pretty good. Again, contact wash still has to come, but as just a little pre-rinse, all right, so final product here. Used a Car Pro Pearl. First time using that. I really liked it. Took me a little bit to kind of figure out how to get it on. And see a little surface rust on the rotor there. That'll come off first time you hit the brakes when I repark the car. But overall, I think the car looks pretty darn good. Got a couple towels around the mirrors just to catch some of the drips, but definitely a lot better than what it looked like earlier. So pretty pleased with the results. Nice deep shine. Just Average Nelson. Thanks for joining.